Sailor Moon and shit.
What's going on today, Jordy?
Kai's gonna cut my up.
What? You hear this? Welcome back, or welcome. We're back again. This time with the E36. Jordy's gonna fit on his overfenders. Come on, Jordy, take that bitch up.
I want a nice arch. I don't want it to look like.
It already looks like. That's crazy. I can arch better than that.
Oh God, my eyes are hurting right now. Give me that tape, please. Give me that tape. No.
Look, he got my boss working after hours.
Stretch it and start turning it. That white?
Yeah.
Damn, your food smells so good, Anthony. It smells super good.
Anthony broke the tape.
This tape just sucks.
I don't know how to spoon like this tape. I hate it.
All right, Anthony, next side.
I don't know why these guys keep putting me in charge.
This is a one-cut deal, not 15 slits.
I've done this before.
Cut my nose panel and die.
I didn't cut your nose panel. Yeah! Wow.
So nice. Oh, she's pretty.
She fits.
Fancy.
We painting this, Anthony?
You're painting this.
Yeah, I'm painting this. Jordy, what color you want?
Black.
Basic ass.
The next day.
And we're back, but this time with guidance. Jordy knows what he's doing now.
I imported Andy. Quick import. He had no customs fees with him.
What's the game plan?
I am just doing it, not me.
A few self tappers, done in minutes.
Might be critical now.
Don't be a scaredy cat.
I'm not scared, it's getting warmy.
I trust you.
The Englishmen, they don't make them like they used to.
Pretty feet.
We're gonna throw the overfenders in the harbor.
The two-tone white kind of goes crazy, little panda.
We're not doing rivet nuts.
These are never coming off, Andy.
I like the commitment.
Day 3 of working on Jordan's E36. If I sound sick, it's because I am. I got my hot chocolate here. Let's do this thing.
All right, everyone, look at Kylie's curls. Can we appreciate the curls? Half curl. Sorry.
Game plan. Yo, gotta cut into the trim a bit. My hair's getting in the way. Sorry. Jordan said there's a clip under here that we gotta avoid. So. Oh, this is interesting looking. Why are you doing this?
Spot welds. This is an inner skin, but I have to hit this skin up, so this is in the way, so I have to get rid of this.
Oh, I'm new to this, guys. Sorry.
I've never done this before.
Oh, I see what you were saying now.
Now you understand? You see the vision?
It says Jim has a big head. I hope he sees that one day.
Tell them what we're gonna do.
As you were just witnessing, Jordy was grinding away spot welds for this little pesky bracket because you can't bang this up with that in the way.
I'm gonna try and cut the bracket as close to this as possible, so when we hammer it up, I can tack the bracket back to the skin.
Makes sense.
So that tries to keep as much rigidity as possible.
Rip that bitch out.
What do you think I'm trying to do?
Rip that bitch out. Yeah. Don't wave that thing over here.
Inner skin's out.
Ooh, that sounded dirty. Back up.
Oh yeah, so I totally have to cut that.
We'll go.
Yeah, bang her out, baby. Arm day?
Crazy. Trying it regardless. I think I'm fine. I think I got this.
Keep the blow gun on handy. Stop. Oh, it's knocking.
What?
So that was actually the mail guy. We got a package from Limiter, which I actually have a discount code. Use code KAI15 for 15% off. This is for everyone, by the way, not just us. We got a table. Whoa. These ones are extra small. Yes. If you guys don't know, I'm an extra small. My hands are very tiny, so it's very hard to find gloves that fit me. So shout out to Limiter Gloves, because they make gloves that fit me, and so do Drip Cartel. These are nice.
Damn, I'm jealous. I need a new flame one.
Nice. Extra large. I'm gonna assume that's for Jim. Large, Jordy or Austin. Actually, extra large might be Austin. Large is Jordy. Medium, Spoon. I think extra small. Hey, these are cute. I'm the only one who has glasses, so. Thank you, Jake. You're awesome. Check out the link in the bio. Check them out. They make awesome stuff. Not just gloves. They make lanyards, stickers, shirts, hoodies. Check it out. Back to what we were doing.
It's kind of working, I guess.
Nice gloves. All right, we'll be back when he's done. Or if he sets himself on fire.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I feel like I have to add that we're not professionals. Not bad.
It is terrible. One side done. I told you it's not pretty, but they're never gonna see it, so I don't give a. It's sealed and it works.
The curls are cute.
Thank you.
And we are live. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on, just kidding, you guys already know what we're doing, except the tripod. I still sound like I made myself another hot chocolate though. I didn't feel like washing a cup though, so I reused the Dunkin'.
Look good on your side?
Yep, I'm good. I'm good. You remember how to use that thing?
Yeah. It's got the right tip in it this time.
I had the wrong tip.
Yeah, last time, remember?
Right here.
No, do that. Yeah, I should probably do them in a row, right? Press it all down at once. Well, it's even one. Say one here, and then one right here, and then one on the tip.
Yeah.
I'm copying what is on Jim's car.
Looks pretty damn good.
It's better. It's got hips.
The next morning.
Good morning. Time to finish this shit. Gang, 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 gang.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Not just a yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, since Jordy did that side, I'm gonna try and weld this side. I say try because you know what happened the last time I tried to weld by myself with no supervision. So yeah, let's get into it, yeah. I hope Spoon doesn't see this because we're most likely doing everything wrong, but
Probably.
you live and you learn, right?
It still works.
Works, it works. Just tack the bit.
It's the same as the other side. We don't have to explain it.
Kinda scared. Fire.
Blow it out. You completely missed where you have to weld, and you burn through it. That's what happened to my sock yesterday. How you didn't even make a test.
I am by no means a professional. Okay?
Or amateur.
Or amateur. Jordy's taking over because we want to finish this before everyone gets here. Back on blow girl duty. Jordy lost his helmet. Mask? Helmet? Same difference. This is it so far.
So far, so.
You said it, not me. Hey, hey. Yeah!
what I thought. I thought it will. The rears line up a lot better than the front.
Do they? That's good to know. It looks cool with like the Panda. It should.
Yeah, I think so.
Just take the cap off now.
Yeah, I might do that actually.
Take the cap off and then just try and make it fit.
I wonder if I line the cap up, if it'll line the whole fender up. I'll trim the inside a tiny bit.
Take off it.
Last one. Came out better. Nice.
Good work.
It's kind of hard, really.
Jordy. Hot as
Yeah, I think it's done.
Bring it outside into the sunlight.
I gotta poop.
Look at my boy, so proud. He thinks he's gonna do it. And guess what?
It's Mr. Go-Getter.
That's it. Someone's got to be that. It's cool since the overfenders look new and clean. It actually made the car look a lot newer and cleaner. Because like a huge portion of the body is now clean. You know.
It looks like a little panda.
Orbs. It looks sick. What do you think? You like it? Just needs a spoiler, and E36s are the hardest car to get a good spoiler for.
It's done. I think it looks pretty cool.
Yeah?
I definitely have to trim the bumpers and the trim because obviously everything's a little wider. It also needs to be dropped like an inch. It's really tall in the rear.
Just a tiny bit.
Yeah. But besides that, great success. Super good. All right, guys, you know the deal. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back with more Miata content.
Have a beautiful time.